A traditional wholesale real estate business spends thousands of dollars in marketing to produce a single wholesale deal. The problem is most new wholesalers don't have a very big marketing budget or any budget at all, which is a huge obstacle when getting started. Now, if that's you, don't give up just yet. There's hope. You can overcome not having money for marketing if you at least have time. If you have at least 20 hours a week, on this video, I'm going to show you my proven 3-step process for getting 5 deals a month with almost no marketing budget. Now, if you follow this 3-step process exactly how I show it, this video could quite literally change your financial future right now, and I'll prove it to you, so keep watching. If you're new here, I'm Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses, and here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Now, to get started, let me make sure you are crystal clear on the process of getting a good deal in a wholesale real estate business. And I call it a business because if done correctly, it's repeatable, sustainable, and scalable. Getting a good deal is known as acquisitions, and acquisitions is a 3-part process. Now, step 1 is to generate a lead, which in a wholesaling business is simply getting in front of a potentially distressed property owner, whether that's in person or on the phone. We call this a motivated seller. This could be someone in pre-foreclosure, an inherited property, a burned out landlord, or dozens of other scenarios. Now, once you're in front of a potentially distressed seller, step 2 in the acquisition process is to find out if they're motivated to sell their unwanted property at a discount by offering a fast and convenient cash offer. Now, if they are, step 3 is to solidify the deal by getting the seller to commit in writing by executing a contract. So to recap, generate a lead, make an offer, execute a contract. Now let's break down how to do this if you have time but no money. Step 1 is lead generation. So let me show you how to find unlimited motivated seller leads for free right in your market. On your computer, go to joinpropwire.com. Now, if you've never heard of Propwire, it's a revolutionary new software that is taking the real estate industry by storm because you can search and download unlimited seller leads for free, and it's really easy to use. Let me show you. Let's say I'm in the Nashville, Tennessee market. I would search right here, Nashville, Tennessee. For your first list, under lead type, I want you to click Must Match All Selected, and then check Vacant and also High Equity. Now, it's much easier to wholesale a vacant house that nobody's living in, and high equity ensures the owner can sell at a discount. Combining more than one lead type is called lead stacking. So what we're doing is we're lead stacking vacant with high equity. Then under property type, just check single family for now, since those are the easiest properties to wholesale. Under owner type for now, just click individual, because these are easiest to get phone numbers. And you'll notice right here that Propwire found 580 leads that fit our filters in Nashville, Tennessee, which is a great list size to start with. Now try to keep your list under 1,000. If you need to add another filter in your market, I suggest you add out-of-state owner to your lead stack. Okay, now searching and downloading this list is free, which is amazing considering that other softwares like this charge to search and download data. Now keep in mind, the list only gives you the seller's name and address. We need a phone number, and the best way to get a phone number is to do a technique called skip tracing. And what's really cool is Propwire has a built-in skip tracing tool, and it's really inexpensive. Right now, as of this recording, it costs 10 cents per successful skip, which is more affordable than most other services, and you only pay for it if it returns a number. So let's say that from our list of 580 records, we get 435 successful skips. That would cost about $43. To run your first skip trace, just add funds to your Propwire account by clicking the wallet icon at the top of your screen, then add $43 to your wallet. Then when you click on your list of 580, click skip trace and download. It's that simple. Once you've got your list with phone numbers, step 2 is to call every single person on the list. Remember, time not money. Later, as you grow your business, you can hire virtual assistants who can call for you, and you can do other things like direct mail and send them a postcard. But for now, you're gonna call each person and essentially ask if they are interested in a convenient, fast cash offer for their property. Now, to know what to say, be sure to use my word-for-word scripts. I'll give them to you for free. Just go to freesellerscripts.com. Now, if and when a seller is interested in a cash offer, use my new wholesale offer calculator, which instantly gives you an offer price for any property. The best part about my instant offer calculator is there is no comping properties to figure out the value, and there's no estimating repairs. Anyone can use it, even if you have no real estate experience, because it's brain dead easy to use. I did a video which explains how to use it using real live deals. I'll put the link to that video in the description below for you to watch later. To download my instant offer calculator for free, just go to freeoffercalculator.com. Once you've made your cash offer to the seller, if and when they accept, step 3 is to get a written executed contract. A written contract is very important because it commits the seller to the deal so they can't sell it to someone else. If you don't have a contract, you don't have a deal. Now, I've been modifying and perfecting my seller contract for almost 20 years now that I've been wholesaling, so it might be the best contract available anywhere. I did a video where I walked through each paragraph and how to fill out my entire contract in detail. You know the drill. I'll put the link in the video below for you. And I hope you're picking up how I do things. I'll give you my seller contract for free. Just go to wholesalercontracts.com. So if you follow this 3-step process and you use all of the resources I just provided and are committed to spend at least 20 hours a week, that's just 3 hours a day, you should be able to make at least 5 offers a day. That's 100 offers a month. And if you make 100 offers in a month, my promise to you is you will get a wholesale deal that you can make at least $10,000 or more. And to prove to you that this is possible, I want you to watch an interview I did with a new wholesaler, Matt Spinks. Now, Matt basically followed what I just described in this video, except his list that he downloaded, skip traced, and called was only 200 people. From that list, he got 2 deals totaling over $100,000. Now, if you want to be inspired and fired up to do this, watch that video. I'll put the link in the description below. What's exciting is as you dial in this 3-step process and as you dedicate even more time, I believe you can get to 3 to 5 deals a month with very little money invested. So my challenge to you is to do exactly what I explained on this video. And then when you close your first deal, reach out to me so that I can interview you on my channel and share with the world how you did it. And finally, once you do get a good deal, if it fits my criteria, I'll buy it and pay you $10,000. So if that sounds exciting to you, watch this next video to learn all the details, and I'll see you on the next video.